Yo, what's up, man? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Jerodix TV. Yes, here we go again, guys. So for today's video, guys, I just want to share and react this kind of a Manipur song again. And the title of this video, guys, is Lovelove. Alright, so I think the artist here is Arkay, Sushant, and Shyamapika. And the singer here is Hitler, Chengagakam, and Surma. So, it's hard to pronounce your name, guys. So, yes, of course, the uploader of this video is H360 Pictures. Thank you so much, guys, for having me here to react this kind of music. And by the way, the one who requests this Manipur song is Changkonba Moirangcha. Alright? Changkonba Moirangcha. So, thank you so much, Changkonba, for this request. So, before we start, guys, make sure that you are subscribing my channel, and please don't forget to hit that bell for more latest update on my channel. So, without further ado, guys, let's get now and watch this video. Lovelove. Wow. Is this a Manipur song or Korean song? Wow. Even the artist here is like Korean artist. Wow. I'm so in love. Guys, I love this song, guys. Oh my God, she's so beautiful, guys. Absolutely, guys, I like the music. The lady didn't have no idea. She don't have idea. Oh my God, even the venue, guys, even the place that they taping, guys. Where this place, other places, not in India. Tell me, guys, this place is not I mean in India or in other country, guys. Wow! This is almost perfect, guys. I love the music. Love, 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 love. I love, 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 love. Who's this man that request this? Changkomba Moirangcha. Wow, thank you so much, bro. I love this music, bro. This is a very perfect music, guys. Wow, just like I'm in love again, guys. Wow, I'm speechless, guys, about this music. I truly love this music. Oh my god. Wow, that is so amazing music video. By the way, guys, the place here is in India or not? I think in other country, this one. But if I'm mistaken, guys, just correct me, alright? Don't be angry. Don't be angry for me, guys, huh? I'm just wondering if this place that they are making this video is from India. And the artist here just like a Korean actor and Korean actress. Yes, but you know, there's some people in Manipur that if you see in the first guys, in the first time, if you see in the first time this people in Manipur, they like there's some look like Korean, guys. Yes, there's a lot of music here in Manipur, guys. I thought some of the people there just like a Korean actor and Korean actress, but there are a few Manipur people. Yes. Alright, guys, I don't have anything to say, guys, but this is a very perfect Manipur song for me as of now, guys. And it was all about love. How this one hard, huh? Hard love. Alright, guys, thank you so much again for having me here until the end of this video, guys. And I hope you in love also, guys, and you love this music video, because for me, I love it so much and I like it so much. Alright, guys, if you like this music video, please give this a lot of thumbs up, and don't forget to like and share this music to your friends and families. So For those new to my channel, guys, please subscribe now to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell for more latest update on my channel. Alright guys, see you around. See you on the next reaction video. I love you all guys and God bless you. Bye!